We all wonder constantly, what is real airport life at the Delta Airlines gate really like? And how do real passengers engage with Delta Airlines? On May 22, 2024, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for this passenger.
Once again, we do not have any control over what goes on in the Lexington airport. It's beyond our control. It's beyond our control getting any flight into Lexington. The runway is closed. We cannot land any planes there. We do apologize for your inconvenience.
Calling me out my name,
But unfortunately,
effing this, effing that. Yeah, she was yelling at the passengers. And
there is no plane going into Lexington at this time.
She's been
All planes
704 and
in
26.
either get
in
rerouted
their faces and
or grounded in all airports. Thank you.
we understand.
No, it's a news center. I believe you. And this is
Are you rebooking them or no?
No, we're gonna remove it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So approach from G27, there is the LS trying to run a corner right here that will definitely be on the traffic flow.
It says the airport at Kentucky is closed down.
Hey, ma'am.
This has nothing to do with
Did you get your boarding pass on you? What's up with the behavior, ma'am?
What behavior?
Your boarding pass. Your boarding pass.
The boarding pass was I was doing disrespect.
Just your boarding pass, ma'am.
Is it alright if I walk this way?
No, you're fine.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I was catching on to him.
Okay.
I was catching on to him. I don't have a boarding pass.
Okay, well, I mean, you have to have some sort of boarding pass to get out here on the golf
I don't
course.
have to talk to you. No, I don't have to talk to you. You are a person in this thing. I don't have to talk to you.
Okay, yes you do.
I know. No, I don't. No, I
Yes, you
don't.
do.
No, I don't. No,
Yes,
I
you do.
don't.
Yes you do.
No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
You need a boarding pass to come out
I
here.
don't need to talk to you about nothing.
Your
We are not nothing.
Your behavior is why I'm out here.
My behavior.
Yeah.
It's only him saying that.
Everybody else is.
Nobody said that.
Okay, where's
Who
your
else said that? Who
where's
else
your
said that?
ma'am?
Who else? If you could do that, because I got my family on the phone
I
since
could
I've been talking to him, and he's been trying to get with me since the fact that I denied him of the situation that I denied him with. He is mad that I don't want to be with him.
Okay, ma'am. Not only him, but numerous other people have told me already.
Who is numerous?
I don't have to tell you
Yes,
that,
you
ma'am.
do. Yes,
no,
you-
I don't.
Brittany, call the cops because he is lying on me and he is lying about me doing anything. Brittany, you've been on the phone the whole time.
704,
and
you got
he is
another
the
unit coming out
person
here?
Of who he is, he cannot do nothing to me. So I can walk off when I want to walk off.
Ma'am, where's your boarding pass?
Brittany, I don't have to show you nothing.
Yes, you do.
For what? What did I do?
Okay, who are
What
you?
did I do?
Do you have your ID?
What did I do? Yes, I do. I have my
Okay,
ID. Here go
perfect.
my ID.
That's not even your ID.
No. I have my ID. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Who served you all this
Give me
alcohol?
my ID. I got mad. Brittany.
Okay.
Brittany.
You're dropping your money.
I am. Brittany. Stay on the phone and stay level. Girl, he's lying.
Okay.
Here go my ID.
We gotta find out who you are. Okay?
I am who I am.
Okay.
You can find out who I am.
Okay.
You fat ass nigga with his friend. But I'm trying to tell you, you're about to get in trouble.
Poor guy.
Brittany,
Okay, I got you.
you about to be in fucking trouble.
Okay, man.
Yeah. That nigga ain't hold no weight.
Okay.
You stupid to believe in him.
Okay.
Yeah. You are. You ain't got nothing on me. What you got on me? What you got on me? What you gonna arrest me with? What you got ready with?
Disorderly
What you got-
conduct.
What? What I did? What I did? What I did?
Cussing.
What I did? Talking to you in the wrong fat ass way because you fat as and you
Nothing to
keep
do with.
with me
got
because of
nothing-
your fat ass friend because he's mad because I don't want to be with his ass. Do it. Lock me up. I can't wait to go to jail. With your fat ass shit. You fat ass bitch. You and your fat ass problem.
Okay, listen to me.
Lock me up,
Are you gonna
bitch.
listen to me?
Lock me up, bitch.
Are you gonna listen to me?
Lock me up, bitch. You can't. Give my shit.
Ma'am,
Give my
is
shit.
she reboarded?
Yes. Yes. I am. Give me my shit.
Oh,
Give me my shit.
okay. Ma'am, listen to me.
Give me my stuff.
Listen to me.
Give me my stuff. I don't have to talk to you.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes,
No, I
you
don't.
do.
No, I don't. No, I don't. I
Yes,
know
you
my
do.
rights. I know my rights. I'm not
Okay,
stupid.
you're about to go to jail. Okay.
So
Li-
arrest me.
Listen to me.
So arrest me.
You don't care about it. Are you gonna listen to me or not?
No. Give me my stuff.
Okay. You've been denied boarding by Delta Airlines. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you a ride to the main terminal.
You're not giving me nowhere. I'm not
listen to
being
me.
denied with
Listen to
the
me.
terminal. I'm not being denied by Delta. It's between y'all. No, give me my stuff.
Ma'am,
Give me my stuff. Give me my
you're
stuff,
not a
sir.
ticket. You're not a ticketed passenger,
Brittany, take a picture of this shit.
ma'am.
Thank you.
You're not a ticketed
Give me my
passenger.
stuff. Give me my stuff.
Listen to
Give
me.
me my stuff.
You.
Sir.
You're,
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, everybody in this terminal. Excuse me. He is trying to arrest me over some
704
wrong-ass
radio.
shit.
Have another unit step it up.
Him and his friend is mad because I don't want to talk to
Ma'am.
them about anything. We are going down right now for this shit. I
Ma'am.
don't know. It's him.
Ma'am.
It's him. It's him. He's trying to do something to me.
Ma'am, I'm not trying.
Give me my stuff.
Ma'am,
Give me my normal stuff.
listen to me, okay? Are you gonna listen to me?
Hell no.
Come here. Come here.
I don't have to listen to you.
704 radio. Go
I don't
ahead.
listen to you. You're not my daddy.
Ma'am,
What you arresting me for?
disorderly conduct.
Okay. Where?
Here.
Where?
You see you're making a scene.
Where? I just made a scene because you made a scene. You made a scene.
No, I did not make
Yes,
a scene.
you did. You was touching on me.
No,
You
I'm-
told me. Brittany, I'm being arrested. Just call the cops. Let me know
You
that
are being-
This nigga, what's his name is red coat.
Come on, put your hand behind your back.
And I'm
Put your
being
hand put your hand behind your back.
Brittany, I'm being arrested.
Put your hand
I'm
put
being
your hand
arrested in the
behind your
terminal.
back. Behind
In
your
the
back.
terminal.
Put your hand
In the
behind
terminal.
your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Queen.
Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Put your hand behind your back.
No. I'm not
Put your
putting my
hand
on my
behind your back.
because you lying.
Put your hand behind your back. Put
He
your
lying.
hand behind your back.
He lying.
Put your
He
hand
lying.
behind your back.
What is he arresting me for?
Put your hand
What is he
behind your
arresting me
back.
for, Brittany?
Put your hand
Brittany, he's
behind
not
your back.
saying that. He's mad because I
Put
told
your
him
hand
no.
behind your back.
I'm not telling them yes.
Put your hand behind your back.
Okay. Get off of me.
Put your hand behind your back.
Get off of me.
Put your hand behind your
That
back.
ass off of me.
Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Put your hand behind your
No.
back. Put your hand behind your
I'm
back.
not putting my hand behind my back.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Nope. I didn't do nothing.
Put your hand behind your
I
back.
literally didn't do nothing.
Put your hand behind your back.
No. I didn't do nothing.
Put your hand behind your back.
Can we talk about it?
Put your hand
Let's talk
behind your
about it.
back.
Let's talk about it.
Let's put your hand behind
If
your
you
back.
want a problem, let's talk
You
about
already been a problem. So put your hand behind your
it. No, I
back.
didn't give you a problem. He gave you a problem.
Put your hand behind
He
your
gave
back.
you a problem.
behind your back. Put your hand behind your back, man.
Sir, can I tell you the truth?
What is?
Can I tell you the truth?
You got it?
Can I tell you the truth?
No, I get it.
Can I tell you the truth? Can I tell you the truth? He didn't get that until y'all came close. Can y'all not recognize that? Can we talk about this?
Yeah, it's all.
Can we talk about this?
Yeah.
He and him.
Come on, let's get.
He and him is in cahoots.
Come on.
They are mad because I would not let me tell them about what's going on. What's going on is, let me tell them about what's going on.
Okay.
What's going on is, him and his friend wanted to fuck me, and I said no.
Okay. So why don't you go to?
So now I'm under arrest. Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. I go freely with this shit.
You got my.
I don't mind.
You got my.
I don't mind. Where do I go to tell the truth about me being sexually harassed about this shit? What did I do? How y'all arrested me? Where y'all bringing me to? Where am I going? Can I ask where am I going?
1708 radio.
Can I talk to you? Miss,
Come on, we're gonna walk together.
Miss, please talk to me.
I'm talking.
Please, sit down.
You're gonna tell me everything once we get downstairs.
It's not a downstairs. You're not understanding. You're not listening.
We're not talking.
He asked me to not say something about him telling.
Okay.
I told him that this shit gotta stop about you guys telling people that doesn't have nothing to do with you guys' organization.
I ain't got a damn.
I can't hear you. We have to sit in the car. I'm sitting right. I'm sitting right next to you. Okay.
But I didn't do nothing.
I'm gonna sit right next to you.
You still gonna say you gonna sit next to me and I ain't do nothing. You know that nigga was grimy. You know he grimy. I didn't do nothing. He mad because I'm telling the truth about what he
Is
did.
there somebody you was sit down right there? Is somebody you was boarding the flight with?
No,
Let's go back up there real quick.
I wasn't born in a fight with nobody. I'm trying to tell you something.
All right, go ahead, sit down.
Can you just
and then we
listen
gonna
to me?
talk. Yes, but you have to
Please.
sit in the car.
Please just listen to me.
Go ahead, sit in the car.
Please just listen to me.
All right, I'm gonna listen to you, but you have to listen
You're
to
not
me
listening
first.
to me.
I'm gonna
You still
listen to
arresting
you.
me for something
You're
I
not
didn't
arrested.
do.
You're just detained. He needs to go.
That's what I'm saying. That I didn't do anything.
Okay, you're just detained. That's it.
I didn't do anything.
Arresting is different from detained. Detained means that he needs to go investigate and see if you're really wrong. If you're not wrong, you're free to go.
I'm not wrong.
All right, so go ahead, sit down.
Can you get me up? Cause I'm short.
Okay. Does this lock?
I can't do that. Not right now until we figure out what's going on.
It hurts. It's tight. It's mad tight. Mad
Tight?
tight. Yeah.
Let me get my single hands real quick to my adjustment.
How long both of y'all know? I don't care what goes on today. I know tomorrow we're gonna be friends.
We're already friends.
I think so. Are we?
Yeah.
We are. I be in my bullshit, right?
You go.
No time, no live.
No time, no live. I like that.
Just hanging out with her.
Come on out, Miss Barr.
Dude, stop trying to act like we friends and you a liar.
We ain't friends.
You're a
Open that
liar,
door.
bitch. You're a liar. You're a bitch ass liar.
Okay, you start your
You're a
phone.
bitch ass liar.
Okay.
You're a bitch ass liar.
Okay.
You're a bitch ass liar. You just want somebody to go to jail.
Sure.
You just want somebody to go to
Just
jail.
go sit to your right for me, please.
That's fine.
Stand against the wall. Okay.
What? I'm saying it. I'm saying you a fat ass, bitch ass, fat ass, dirty ass nigga, lying
Stand
ass
against the
nigger,
wall.
lying ass nigger, lying ass nigger, lying ass nigger.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.